Speed of thought. A flicker appeared on the horizon. 3 heat signatures. Moving fast. Before Rana could even blink, her neural link pinged a recommendation. Potential recon drones. Suggest interception. She whispered a single word. Engage. Mini drones launched from her squad's pack and streaked skyward. Decision to action, 2 seconds. Fewer soldiers. Stronger reach. Her squad was only 6 people, yet they commanded a small army of machines. Exoskeleton-boosted carriers, scout bots, and a wheeled autonomous mortar that rolled quietly behind them. What once took a company now needed only a handful of augmented operators. Surgical precision. As the hostile drones fell, the AI's targeting suite drew green rings around valid strike zones, avoiding civilian ruins nearby. Clean shot, the overlay assured her. No stray fire, no collateral, hidden fragility, then static. The world flickered, maps froze. The network fabric linking them to command was jammed. For a heartbeat, everything powerful about the phalanx vanished. The exoskeletons went into safe mode. Drones hovered aimlessly. Power without signal was just dead weight. Autonomous logistics. Minutes later, a supply convoy of driverless trucks rerouted itself through sandstorms, guided by predictive maintenance sensors. They didn't need roads or radio. Only line-of-sight lasers. Food, ammo, and spare batteries arrived before the link was even restored. Cyber spillover. Rana's wrist screen flashed warnings. Civilian comms interference detected. The same jamming meant to protect her platoon had blacked out a nearby village's hospital network. War and civilian life had merged. One invisible frequency at a time. Dangerous autonomy. A companion AI flagged a moving shape as high-threat armor and prepped a loitering munition. Rana lunged to override, realizing it was just a fuel truck. If she'd hesitated, the autonomous strike might have triggered a cross-border explosion. And a war. New kinds of skill. Her younger teammate, barely 20, worked a console of algorithms and counter hacks instead of rifles. Got the link back, he grinned. The battlefield belonged to those who could code and command machines as easily as they breathed. Asymmetric counters. From the dunes ahead, a cloud of cheap enemy swarm drones emerged. Crude, handmade, but deadly. The enemy didn't need a high-tech army to threaten a high-tech one. All it took was noise, numbers, and chaos. The moral weight. When the skirmish ended, the sun rose over scattered metal and drifting sand. Rana removed her helmet and stared at her own reflection. The faint metallic glint around her temple